Scratch the belly. Oh, the belly. Scratch the belly. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. It's heaven. Ooh, it's heaven, isn't it, Blue? Yeah. Put you right to sleep. And you won't bug us with that stupid ball. Who cares about the ball? Oh, there goes the foot. There goes the foot. Oh, there goes the foot. Okay. Oh boy. Are you jealous? Are you jealous, Lily? Are you jealous? Oh, you're gonna go to sleep, aren't you? Mama gonna put you to sleep. Oh yes, just like a big baby. This is just a baby.
Mama,
Yes.
tomorrow I have pee-pees tomorrow. No eat popcorn. Like Marty.
We can make popcorn.
Oh, I put like more salt.
I think he's asleep.
So
I
what?
can't put him to sleep.
It's not fun.
Oh yeah.
What is it, but
Now hide the ball. Oh, jeez. Oh, man. Oh! You just messed the whole moment up. Too much hair getting up your nose? Mm-hmm. Squeeze him. Oh, poor baby. It's okay. It's all right. Go back to sleep. It's okay.
it's
It's
my
okay.
belly, Mom.
Would you stop?